trout is essentially salmon's sophisticated, slightly more earthy cousin. It takes to teriyaki like a fish to water, pun intended, and when paired with egg-fried rice, you've got a better-than-takeout meal that's surprisingly fast to pull together. Here is your easy step-by-step guide to nailing this dish. Ingredients: the teriyaki trout. 2 trout fillets, skin on is best for texture. 3 tbsp soy sauce, 2 tbsp honey or brown sugar. 1 tsp grated ginger, fresh is king, but powder works in a pinch. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1 tsp rice vinegar, optional for a little zing. The egg-fried rice, 2 cups. Cooked rice, cold. Leftover rice is mandatory here. Fresh rice gets mushy. 2 large eggs, beaten. 2 green onions, sliced. 1 tbsp soy sauce. 1 tsp sesame oil. 1 2-cup frozen peas and carrots, optional. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Marinate the trout. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, ginger, garlic, and vinegar. Place the trout fillets in a shallow dish and pour half of the mixture over them. Let them sit for 10-15 minutes while you prep the rice. Note: save the other half of the sauce for glazing later. 2. Scramble the eggs. Heat a splash of oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Pour in the beaten eggs. Scramble them quickly until just set, then remove them from the pan and set aside. 3. Fry the rice. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil. Toss in the frozen veggies, if using, and cook for 2 minutes. Add the cold rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Fry the rice for 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to smell toasted. Stir in the soy sauce, sesame oil, and the cooked eggs. Fold in the green onions and turn the heat to low just to keep it warm. 4. Sear the trout. In a separate non-stick skillet, heat a drizzle of oil over medium-high heat. Place the trout skin side down. Press gently with a spatula so the skin stays flat and gets crispy. Cook for 3-4 minutes. Carefully flip the fillets. Pour the reserved half of the sauce into the pan. Let the sauce bubble and thicken into a glaze, about 1 to 2 minutes, while the fish finishes cooking. 5. Plate and serve. Scoop a generous portion of fried rice onto a plate and top it with a trout fillet. Drizzle any extra thickened glaze from the pan over the fish. Pro tips for success. The rice rule: if you don't have leftover rice, spread freshly cooked rice on a baking sheet and pop it in the freezer for 15 minutes to dry it out. Settings: add any subtitle.